Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakunokodi. They talk about the Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki and Philip Shaibu new style of campaign. He also talk about the people where they fight Obaseki, where no one make Obaseki come back for second term. So make I leave you now, make you for hear from Stanley Osaze Osakunokodi. Enjoy the video.
A great good morning to ever conscious Edo people worldwide. I remain my humble self, your noble right activist, PDP. Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakunokodi. As we all know, it's going to be a different development today, and the topic is very explicit for us to discuss, which is, it's very clear how at which the peace came in the initial stage. How at which the peace came in the initial stage. What would have been the implication as far as Edo people interest is concerned? I think we must first of all commend the efforts of Governor Godwin Obaseki for standing to the end. Some persons believe that for you to be successful in politics, you must learn to pretend, to deceive the people into believing that you are a saint. But I think under the tutelage and leadership of Governor Godwin Obaseki, the narrative is different. How at which the peace came in the initial stage would have been the interest of Edo people. What is the particular peace that we are all talking about? Obaseki should agree that they should share the money. That is the peace. Oshomole will never accept anything outside a peace deal that will give him the temerity whatsoever to lord over a sitting governor in Edo State. If you tell Oshomole, sit, let's discuss for peace to reign, don't worry, you guys hug yourself for no economic attachment, forget it. That peace will never take place. So for Obaseki to stand tall to the end, despite the hiccup from different areas coming against the personality of the governor, it shows that he's a governor that is determined to fight to the end. All they wanted is, if there is peace, the peace will be, now, hey, this is not how you're supposed to do it. Just relax. You know, this one is the former governor. Be collecting this one, be collecting this one, be collecting this one. The peace will never encapsulate the overall interest of Edo people. It will never. It will never capture the overall interest of Edo people. It will never. It will be all about Oshomole and all those lions and tigers who want to take an advantage of the state democratic infrastructure to perpetuate evil. As of today, the number of Lexus, the number of Toyota Jeeps that will be at their car park will be so numerous that cannot be counted. So if Obaseki refused to adhere to the nature of peace that Oshomole is looking for, it is for the betterment of Edo people. How many persons can be able to access Obaseki? How many persons can be able to access Oshomole to benefit from the proceeds of corruption? It is few. So it is better for our governor to fight for us to the end. That is why you are seeing the overwhelming support that the people are giving to the governor, because it is not easy to stand firm and defend the interest of the people, despite the pressure and hiccups that is coming from different tributaries against the governor of Edo State. I wish the peace came in in the initial stage. It is the title of the discourse this morning. How I wish the peace came in the initial stage. As of today, you would have seen Oshomole dancing as Zonto in any of the podium, shouting, Obaseki is the great man. Obaseki has performed. Obaseki has done this. Obaseki has done that. Because Oshomole is an unshameful man. He never cares what people will talk about. He decided to turn away from his initial statement in 2016, all because Obaseki refused to adhere strictly to his narrative. When you stand to work with the overall interest of the people, it's very, very more important than working for the interest of the selected few. Now, let me tell you the simple truth. As far as Edo is concerned, Obaseki, Oshomole, or any other person have no option. Edo people are wise. Nobody can take us back again to Egypt or underdevelopment. So for Obaseki to stand tall, to defend the interest of the Ratag, for Obaseki to stand tall, to defend the interest of the Jektang, for Obaseki to stand tall, to defend the interest of the Aminu Kano Talakawas, for Obaseki to stand tall, to defend the interest of the Holo Poloi in our society. It therefore means there is a man that really wants to impact positively on the life of the people. And this is the time for us to show gratitude as a people. We have never seen a governor in this state that has done what Obaseki has done in 3 years. You see what those who are campaigning against Obaseki are saying, can you tell me what Obaseki has done in your ward? The question in various wards in Edo State, as we speak, there is no ward in Edo State that does not have the Obaseki presence. It is either physical development or economic development. But this same set of people want Obaseki to touch the whole state in 3 years plus, not even up to 4 years. Whereas those that they are using to compare Obaseki all ruled for 8 years. Isaiah Mopuli agreed, and he said to the world that Adam Oshomole received the sum of 1.4 trillion naira, which is the highest amount of money ever received by governments since the origination of the then Midwest state, down to Bende state, and down to Edo state. It is the highest money that have been received by any government. And after 8 years of Oshomole administration, we still have problems in Edo. Erosion still moves in Edo after spending a whopping sum of $30 billion naira in the erosion control project. How many underground drainage that Oshomole dug that collected the sum of 30 billion naira? Or do you think 30 billion naira is just a little money? Now, you have every 1 million, you have 100 million in 100 million naira. You have 1,000 million naira in 1 billion. 1,000 million naira in 1 billion. Times 30 billion. As we speak today, we still have erosion problem in Edo. For how long shall we continue to live in a full paradise where sycophants celebrate mediocrity? This same set of people want Obaseki to finish Edo development in 3 years. In 3 years plus. None of them thought of the economic recession that plagued the Obaseki administration. As we speak today, Adam Oshomole and the APCs who are campaigning against Obaseki turned a blind eye to the nefarious and obnoxious administration of the federal government. As of today, tariffs have been increased in all ramifications. Even when other governments around the world are giving their citizens palliative for the COVID-19, our government in Nigeria is increasing tariff. Fuel is now being sold at a cost of 162 naira per liter. Pastor Tunde Bakare, who almost crucified President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, today is mute. He has not been able to speak against the federal government. Nobody talks. When you talk, they begin to look for a way to rope you and send you to prison. They will tell you that they are fighting corruption. How long are we going to continue like this? There is a Latin terminology that states, quick whip latetor, solo solo sedit. He who owns the land owns what is fixed and attached on the land. This is our land. This is our land, and we must collectively defend it. Please share this video and invite your friend. They are quick to lambast an administration that has spent 3 years plus, even when he inherited huge amount of debt. As of today, no single pensioner has ever come out to say, I have been working and working and working, I have not received my money. We no longer see pensioner wearing red and red or black and black on Friday and on Wednesday, all in the bid to protest. We no longer see workers who, after working in every month, comes out to say they have been holding us 7 months, the way it used to be. Obaseki pays these things as at when due. Now they call him MOU governor in 3 years plus. A man who have attracted Oshiomhole power plant to Edo, and Oshiomhole know that Obaseki is the brain behind the Azura power plant in Edo. And as of today, Obaseki attracted the Oshiomhole power plant. As if that is not enough, the modular refinery that they said is not in existence. Thank God the federal government openly acknowledged the fact that the modular refinery is on ground and it's about 90% completed in 3 years. They want to kill him all because of money. I will not deceive you. Including myself, we all fought for stomach infrastructure. It is the truth. But never you allow your stomach to deprive your good sense of judgment. A man who has done it, let me tell you the simple truth. None of you are closer to Oshiomhole than Philip Shaibu. Philip Shaibu said it publicly in a live broadcast that when he was called to assist in removing Obaseki, he told Oshiomhole, please, you can't remove this man. This man is performing, and you know him as a man that have history of non-betrayal. I cannot betray this man. This man have worked. If you want to remove him, Oshiomhole, remove the both of us. We also an audio that leaked out where Said Oshiomhole was saying, this our side, now money they flow. This our side, now money they flow. The truth of the matter is, it is better off for Obaseki to give us development than to settle with 1-2 man who cannot decide for the whole of us. We love peace, but not at the expense of our collective growth and development. Oshiomhole cannot be growing and growing and growing at the detriment of Edo people. No. Now, as of today, the same man Oshiomhole told us all, pastor in the day, AK-47 at night, I waive my immunity. I swear before God that Ize-Iyamu is a thief. That is the statement of Oshiomhole. And Oshiomhole again said, he went to primary school, although I have not seen his testimonial. He went to University of Benin, where he graduated as a lawyer, but he's not a barrister. His father, who is an Esogban, was not there to beg for him while he was at the law school. Till today, he has no law school. That is just the statement of Oshiomhole. And he agreed, and he swore under oath. Not even in the oath of man alone. Oath with our ubiquitous God. I saw some comments and some posts on Facebook where some person said, we want to know the number of stupid people in Edo State. The number of persons that vote for Ize-Iyamu will be considered as the number of stupid people we still have in Edo. How can you see truth because of political affiliation? How can you see truth because of political affiliation? You refuse to speak out. How will you see truth publicly because of political affiliation? You deprive yourself of the truth. Please share this video. Share this video. Share this video anywhere you are. Let's tell ourselves the simple truth. Nobody will not like money. I'm not going to tell you, say, even me say me not like money. But I'm not going to like money to the extent to destroy my own self. Now, if peradventure, Obaseki give room to these people. I said, now, you see Oshomole dance like this. Let me show you. Oshomole will be dancing like this. Oshomole will be dancing Asonto, jumping here and there for the money. But because the man now refused, all the narratives in the past, Oshomole changed her. Obaseki na edokiyo madawa ikinoye. Now let me tell you the truth. Do not compromise the progress of Edo because of your stomach. Oshomole is not fighting for you. He's not fighting for you. Oshomole is only angry. Let me tell you, Oshomole believes in Togri. He believes in Togri. There is a statement in politics called political structure. That political structure, then they tell they win elections. But in Edo State, it was only one man, distinguished Senator Aidi Edoba Ozameri, who said, I don't believe in structure. I believe that when God decides that you become anything in life, you will be. No man has the capacity to decide the future of all other men. Oshomole believes that he go pass structure for everybody, he will begin a service and they give their money. You see some of them came out to say, let me come back. Somebody complained about the sound. Oshomole believes in structure. Structure in politics. That as far as politics is concerned, now some selected people, they feel make people win. The idea of lion and tiger in politics. Lion and tiger in politics. That they give those one money, those one got the. But the truth is, it is only one man, as I've earlier said. Distinguished Senator Aidi Edoba Ozameri, who said, no person or group of persons have the power whatsoever to decide the future of another man. No political structure can decide the future of any man, except if God endorses it. If I will be the Senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, it will be by the will of God and not by the will of man. I have no business with political structure. And as we speak today, Edo people have decided to reconcile themselves with that particular statement. We have no business with political structure. All we are concerned about, we will unanimously bring in Obaseki for second term as a governor. This man is touching life. And the truth is, you know, those persons who still live in analog life don't understand what development really means. But let me be laconic and direct to the point when defining development. Development is positive change. Now, this change can be divided into different ramifications. This change can be divided into different ramifications. You have physical development, where you have road network, water, light, as the case may be. You have economic development, when you have a well-orchestrated structural economy. Paying of salaries, creating an enabling environment for businesses to strive is an economic environment, economic development. And as we speak today, the policy framework created by the Obaseki administration encourages business, which include human capacity development. Go to the Edo Innovative Hub and see what Obaseki is doing. What else do they want him to do? And Iziamu came out to tell you about the simple agenda. But don't also forget that the focal point of our discourse today is how which the peace came in the initial stage. How which the peace came in the initial stage. Who would have benefited if the peace started from the initial stage? As of today, Oshomole will be dancing at Zonto, where Edo people will be crying from one place to another, facing economic and political imbroglio. And we will not allow ourselves to be hoodwinked into believing that adopting the principle of satisfying the interests of some selected individual at the detriment of our collective destiny, which may plague us more into the backwater of economic decadence and economic imbroglio, will be the best. No. This same set of people, they don't think about the federal government glaring and gross failure They don't. Where other countries are giving their citizens palliative, Nigerian government is increasing tariff. Nobody speaks. Nobody speaks. Because of financial gratification, political honorarium, this set of people are on mute. Now, tariff, Tinubu wants to be president. He never came out to say, this tariff will be excruciating on Nigerians. Please, let us look into this. Outside COVID-19, nobody don't work. The government welcome you with a tariff increase. Fuel 161, your data today, you can no longer buy data on social media. Food now, there is surge in price of consumable goods. This is the same set of people that promised to make fuel 14 naira per liter. Under President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, fuel was 89 naira. 87 years. Subsidy was on ground. Jonathan wanted to remove it. They said no. Buhari came in, he claimed to have removed subsidy. To date, we pay subsidy and our fuel is in the highest price. Nobody talks. Instead of Oshomole to go and condemn such, as a former Labour leader, we now know that all these years, Oshomole was busy hustling and making his money at our collective detriment. He was busy making his money at our collective detriment. But this is the time for us to collectively say, Kabuto Regentamenta. Don't forget how I wish the peace came in the initial stage. As of today, we can openly say that Obaseki has been able to fight to the end. Obaseki remains the project. If you ask me directly, in person, say, comrade, in physical, do you like Obaseki? I will answer you no. Because he doesn't share money. That is me for you. I won't deceive you. But if you ask me, has he been able to perform tremendously well in terms of physical development and develop a those state that is expected of you? Yes, Obaseki has performed you. So I don't care about his face. I don't care about my stomach alone. Myself, Adam Oshomole, Iseyamu, Samson Saige, and many of us, we agree collectively to fight against this man because of stomach infrastructure. But the truth is this: let us not circumvent the interest of the people because of our personal stomach. Do not consider me as a betrayer. My conscience will not allow me. I was a human rights activist before I became a politician. Somebody said, who is this ant that is comparing himself with political elephants? And I referenced the Bible to him. I told him, I said, David, who killed Goliath? David was like an ant, but at the end of the day, Goliath fell down. This is the time for us to show to them that Edo people are more powerful than this selected few. The governor came to our ward yesterday. You need to see what happened in Ikpobaoka. Ikpobaoka has the largest population of how Edo is concerned. Go and see the overwhelming support. It's there. Instead of them to accept the fact that they have been rejected by Edo people, they came out to say, why you people are DTP joy? So that is to say, they openly acknowledged that Obaseki has been adopted by all and sundry in Edo State. How I wish the peace came in the initial stage. Who would have benefited? By today, Adam Oshomole would have been dancing at Zonto. Why Iseyamu will remain in his room, fighting and writing opposition, opposing the government. But they decided to say, my brother, if we leave this man, continue, all you want to make Mayawa, let us reconcile. No matter their differences, they quickly reconcile for one particular interest. Let us chase this man away and return back to status quo. That was why you saw a man in the palace came out publicly to say, my governor, if you win, you agree, say you go share them, not change, you say, you know, go chopper. If you change, we no agree. The other people didn't pinch him. Say, stop this one. Then I say, man, now, more they tell him now. Maybe they tell him, not go forget what he tell us. This is the promises that they have been giving to people. Ask Oshomole, where is he going to get those money that he's spending back? What of the money misroad in the door that is dishing out billion? Where are they going to get this money from? Where are they going to get this money from? Now, let me tell you, if they spend 40 billion to gain access to the government house, they are going to make 1 trillion as gain. No businessman goes into business without thinking of profit maximization. No businessman goes into business without thinking of, let me bring that English down, without thinking of making profit. So if they give you 10 billion today, if they give you 10 billion or 40 billion to enter government house, you have decided to sacrifice your own interest. They are going to get more than 1 trillion naira back. These men are selected businessmen. The all of us hide under the apron string of politics to say we are politicians. It is business. It is purely business. It is profit maximization. I will be blunt enough to tell you the truth, but many will not tell you this truth. Do you think that when they want to share something now, they will say, Comrade Stanley, take this one? I will say, no, don't give me first. Go and give Mr. I would say, go and give Mr. Desmond Nogeru. Don't give me first. Mr. Nogeru should get it first. No politician want you to get first before them. No politician, I repeat, no politician. We want you to get first before them. So if they are giving you money now, they are only investing. The difference between you and them is that they have access to the money now to give you, while you have access to the money in the future if you support the right person. I totally align myself, and I agree with those persons who made the comment and the post who said that the number of people that votes for these persons will be considered as the number of stupid persons we still have in it. It is the truth. You cannot see Okoko and begin to call it Ororo. Chicken is chicken. Fowl is fowl. So when they are bringing those money to you, I read a text message. Let me tell you the truth. In the whole of Ikpobayi, nobody get that kind of message. Even if they say you be senior politician, say that you be this, the message they send me for bribery, they not send anybody that message. Because they know. They know. But I told them, go with your money. Go with your money. And do you know what? Thank God I took such decision. And as of today, I have benefited immensely from those worldwide than the kind of amount of money that they would have given to me. Now, I might not be able to get the kind of money they would have been able to give to me. But with the daily gesture from Edo around the world, I do not need their 10, 20, or 30 million to survive. I do not need their 10, 20 million to survive. But as of today, we have been counted among those who joined at the front line to fight to liberate the interest of Edo. Believe you me, if I had collected or accepted such bribe, would I have been able to speak publicly today? If you see that the thing not clear to them, their voice don't low. Their voice don't low. Now they now know. Say it is not business as usual. Now, before we go to the simple agenda, a story in Benin day, Okboka Nemoba. Okboka Nemoba. He say, in the Sabi play trumpet, they play band. Anytime they want to do anything for palace. Now he called Richmond said, he called a form. He called a form saying, nah, me without me they no fit. Without me they no fit. Now he can't pretend saying don't die. Hey, now the Benin's cry say, oh, who want to play this thing for us now? Oh God, this man with that, so we know if who want to do one for it. Now one boy come and say, I go fit one. Now the guy can't. He can't even play and pass up Pokanemomba. Now when the Pokanemomba say somebody they play, now he quickly get up and they go take his stage. Now they tell us, say, no worry. Since you say you don't die, person don't read the way they play. So Shomole believes Obaseki cannot win without him. He believes Obaseki cannot campaign without him. But he does shame. Say even without him. The same way some people take stand by him in the past. Now so will take hold of Obaseki to date. Imaya been of your boy Kega. Ima here been of your boy Kega. We can never be intimidated. Please share this video. Share this video. Click on your share button. I have not been able to rectify my notification. So your share will make majority of persons who are waiting to hear from us get to access this video. This is the time to issue based. Let's say the truth. Don't forget the heading. I wish the peace came in the initial stage. It is the subject heading of our discussion today. So the truth is not far-fetched. Oshiomhole believes that we cannot do it without him. Without him. But as we speak today, we have been able to prove beyond reasonable doubt that Edo will move forward without Oshiomhole. And to me, if you ask me, for my mind, I do not want us to take any political prisoner. We don't need political prisoner. It is going to be, yeah, my brother. How far now? Yeah, you too much, eh? In a minute, I'll be busy now. Thank you. Now, if not me, I will not want us to take a political prisoner. Say, when we don't win the finish, all this one, no. It is going to be a fight to finish. They must go to retirement. Let them turn to honorary talakawas. Let them turn to honorary person. No, we will not ascribe value to any of them. Let us treat rebels as rebels. We have said it. This time we will do so. Say people will fight to destroy this administration. They fight to do everything to make sure that this government go. After the progress when this government don't record, they can't come out with this government come and say, "Why yabomeo? I'm your man name yabomeo." If they yabiyan, now then we go tell. Now then we go mobilize the people say, government, for you to forgive these people, be ready for us. Anybody that is a traitor should be considered as a traitor. Anybody that is a rebel should be considered as a rebel. If you win, don't forgive us. We're not holding. If you win, don't forgive me. And when we win, we will not forgive you. No political prisoner. No political prisoner. It is a fight to finish and we must finish it. We must finish it. A man that is going to a war that begins to look at the weapon of his enemy as a deterrent is not ready to fight. To date, as far as the politics come big, rich, you come back and see me. No problem, yeah. As far as the politics come big, rich, they now laugh people with childbirth. What a human not get control of. Now childbirth now they can't use. What a human being not get control of. Now they can't use now. Campaign strategy don't finish. Campaign strategy don't finish. Now. There is a song. When no more beer, hey, get sister, no my beer. I'm your man, no, he can't eat. We are a sagbon, yaga gan, you know that song? When no more beer, hey, get sister, no my beer. I'm your man, no, he can't eat. He ain't got sagbon, we are gan, you know that song? That is what they are now campaigning with. You will not know tomorrow. A normal lagbon fo no giaruau. Normal lagbon fo no giaruau. I have known people who their eye clear before, but today they are blind. That is why I am always afraid to laugh at somebody. I am always afraid to insult people, except if you have insulted me. Let me tell you the simple truth. Since this election started, I don't care about any other person. I only care about two people. Adam Oshiomhole and Ize Yamu. I don't talk about anybody who will pull one joiner will add and join. We go add and join. I am entitled to my opinion, and I take responsibility for my actions. I cannot take responsibility of another man's action. That is what they are not campaigning with. Let me tell you, one needs to be very careful. One needs to be very careful in whatever you do. If you have shared, please notify me that you have shared. Click on your share button. Click on your share button. The truth is very simple. No man is God. Nobody. See, the reason why we are having problem in this part of Africa is that majority of people try to help God to think. Instead of them allowing God to take decision for himself, they want to take decision for God. Let's take an example. When you go to the northern part of the country, you talk to God the way God not like. For them to wait, make God strike you. Now, human being will carry sword, come and kill you. Say, why are you talking to God? Are you God? Give God the chance to do what he's supposed to do. You should not be enforcing things for God. That's the problem in Africa. We inherited religion, we take a path as it's supposed to be. As we speak today, religion has automatically turned itself into our basic problem. Nobody think about God again. Everybody follow religion at the detriment of the principle of God. The Bible is like an instruction manual that tells you what you are supposed to follow. Read your Bible and not the mere utterances from men. That is the truth. And nothing but the truth. So as far as I'm concerned, 2020 elections is all about Oshiomhole and Ize-Iyamu, who came out with the idea of political Odigwetwe. To me, it is all about Oshiomhole. But why Ize-Iyamu is added is this. Ize-Iyamu, because of his desperation, has allowed Oshiomhole to use him to achieve his own aim. So Ize-Iyamu and Oshiomhole will be considered as one and the enemy of Edo people. And let me say this clearly. Nobody, not even Osakwinokwodim, have the right whatsoever to decide the voting pattern of another man. All man is entitled to their opinion and their right to vote and to be voted for. As at this time, we are going to adjudge candidates on the basis of their performance. Thank God today the both of them have history in government. Let us not use the governorship position of Obaseki to judge him now, because people will say, Ize-Iyamu have never been governor. Now, let's use why Obaseki was the head of economic team under Oshiomhole administration. Can Lucky Gbenedion today come out to give an attestation letter about Ize-Iyamu, where he was the chief of staff and the secretary to state government? No. But Oshiomhole came out to give an attestation result of Obaseki, while he was the head of economic team. He said, Obaseki worked with me for 8 years without collecting a dime as salary. He used his network of friends to raise funds to build a structure in government house, which I wanted to name along his name. That is, which attestation are you looking for again? Oshiomhole openly acknowledged Obaseki, why he was the economic team. I'm not using the governorship now. The economic team. I want to look for a single attestation. The only attestation Ize-Iyamu have is that he was in government house rigging election in Uromi, where election was still going on in Uromi. The only attestation he has is that he joined in invalidating over 30,000 Osumbo votes in the 2007 election that brought in Adam Oshiomhole. That is the attestation he has. That is the attestation he has. Go and confirm. Then Oshiomhole, who he was the director general, attested about an attestation was given by Oshiomhole to Ize-Iyamu, saying he battered somebody with acid. These facts are there. Oshiomhole said it. Oshiomhole came out to say he lies effortlessly. He was the director general of Oshiomhole campaign and the South chairman, vice chairman, the chairman of APC, of ACN, sorry. So this time is I mark, not earmark. The two of them have history in government. What is their history? What is their antecedent? Will be the basis for us to adjudge. I want to tell you the simple truth before we go to the second segment. Please, I need to come down here because it depends on us when we see some persons. They achieve selfish aim at our collective detriment. Because of Obaseki, Siam, my car litter ram with flags. Siam. Now with flag, anywhere we they go, now symbol. See my side mirror. Siam, now symbol. We no hide down. You see am? Now symbol. Obaseki is the pro. They will use a bath. If you now win, more not forgive me. Don't forgive. Let me tell you, don't forgive me. I go no say I fight for justice. Injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. Ukono zuo, what in yagbe? We cannot sit and support glaring injustice. Glaring injustice. We cannot sit and support it. With the performer, these two persons, they get history. Let's judge them with their history. They have history. Let's judge them with their history. Now they supplied tractor, Komedo, NDDC. We go see the tractor for Isaiah farm. It's a Yamu farm. Tractor, they say it's a Yamu farm. Tractor where they supply Komedo. So this is a man who was able to convert an illicit House of Assembly to his private residence. None of it convert government. I will not forget what he said. We will turn the birthday of some places to a state birthday. I wish up. Oh God. And the mona open eye. Mona open eye. Somebody let me respond to a comment before we go to the simple answer. Somebody say, please, we need a debate between the two candidates. For me, I don't want a single debate, except if that debate is going to be done in Zoom. Obaseki go there in your place. Isayamo there in your place. Send me the two staff for someone room do debate. Hey. All these people are too diabolical. Me not going to touch them. For example, now a person like Isayamo or someone like come in and say, "Comrade, come. What's the problem? Let's just see and to fear. I will not near there. Near the hear me woman. Sabala wubu. Somebody told us, Pastor, in the day, AK-47 at night. Now the one where somebody know be there because not the follower. You know the one where you know secret where somebody not see no. Many things there. Now I will tell you look each other. Now Obaseki and Isaiah did debate in 2016. We all knew what happened in that debate. We all know as Obaseki drew a follow ground. I want to give you one example of that debate. If you forget, remember. Isaiah raised issue about the Afri-Invest. Now Obaseki tell us say, that time he said Mr. Isaiah. That's what they call her. Mr. Isaiah. It is so painful that you don't understand anything related to financial management and how Afri-Invest works. Go and confirm. Go get that debate. So it is not as if Obaseki lacks the ability. He defeated Isaiah in that debate. Isaiah they do for debate ground. But this time we said no to debate. Except if that debate will be organized in Zoom. Let them meet in Zoom. Then they'll connect us for the whole of us. All the people will watch them. Fine. On national telly, we agree. Somebody that sit down for someone room gonna do this thing or someone environment. No way. No way. One need to be very careful. We must collectively protect the treasure that we have. As Obaseki. We could recall in Edo State, Dr. Samuel Gbomudia of blessed memory created positive development in Edo and Delta State, which is the Dembende State. Osomole Kon in Sultan. All of us join Osomole, we in Sultan. The man can die. Professor Ambrose Folosho Ali created positive development in Edo State. We jail him. Today, nobody of it say, apart from the house where Gbomudia get there, Nobody fit talk now, so a thief this one, so a do this one. Nobody fit talk now, say, even some people they say, at least if not get house, but he get compound. Fine. When we talk about home, we be saying like only the one way somebody get for a Okoroton, he beat all Ali property everywhere. Ali has no property. Yet, we jail him. Now today, we now have another precious stone. A great Ematon. A man who stands to fight for all of us. When I expect to make that same mistake we'll do against Ali and Ogbemudia, no. We'll jealously protect Obaseki this time. We will jealously protect Obaseki this time. This is because the development of Edo is more paramount, sacrosanct, than the interest of an individual. Now, we have been able to estray as far as such is concerned. Let's go to the simple agenda. Let's see if there is need for the simple agenda to come into play. First, the problem in Edo is very cumbersome. That the simple agenda cannot simplify the problem in itself. But let's go to the simple agenda. The simple agenda S means security. But when you have to say, yeah, we came back with more than 3 different languages. I have played the video in the past. But let me quickly help him in case he's not even aware of what is taken from one place to another. The S means security. Which other security architecture will Izeyamu create different from the security architecture on ground today? Across the Federal Republic of Nigeria, despite the fact that there is an embargo on state government not to have personal security, state securities, like state police and the rest. But as we speak, the Obaseki administration created the Wabaiziga, which no governments across the Daisy state have. We now have the Wabai Ziga as a state government security outfit created and carved out from the police and other security agency. You have the civil defense Wabai Ziga, you have the army Wabai Ziga, and which other security architecture is Izeyamu talking about? He should come and tell us. Wabai Ziga has been created, which is the security. They can stage manage 1 or 2 activities just to discredit this government. But the truth of the matter is clear. What other security outfit will Izeyamu do more than what Obaseki has done in terms of security? We could recall back in those days, under Oshomole administration, group of rival court group, they go to fight. For government to come in to crack them down, to make peace come, they'll call the 2 top people, they'll give them money. When they'll give them money, they don't want to go to enjoy. When the money don't done, the 2 top people will still call their boys, say, go and slap this one. Say, go slap this one. They'll start fight. The boys going to kill each other. They don't say the 2 top people, they with government for government house. They enjoy money. When Obaseki can say, well, ni mariri move or we take it to prison. The 5 nobody give them money, not the rest. They fight, nobody give them money. The rest. The one where government catch, now prison. All of them begin to say, hey, more use our brain. Now, all our promising youth don't begin to defocus. And this problem cannot end in totality. It continues to take time. But by the power of God, it will insist government is no longer encouraging it. Those days, I challenge anybody to argue on. Those days, boys, I said that they come out for government and they should go pay for inside government house. There is a position called ED, Executive Director, is unconstitutional. Now, somebody creator. It's either you feel slap senior politician or you scatter a canopy where they want for home meeting to get that position as Executive Director under Oshomole government. You don't need certificate to get that position. You must be stubborn to get that under Oshomole government. Now, that one want me to continue. Then, individual get money counting machine for office where bank they use. They get her for office. That is the way bank they use. They get an individual get her. Now that one they want me to continue for Edo. The answer is no. We'll not allow it. It's like don't be say go and confirm. Then they shoot them. Boy, don't say for police, for police to arrest them. You see that they measure their name. Now this one be this one. You know that guy, that boy very stubborn. Now this one be this one because they over-empower them to. Some of themselves they go to visit the commissioner of police. We go. The whole gonna go visit the commander, draw money for table. Now that one they want. As of today, the man say no. Such if you let me tell you, if you say you dey support Obaseki, you go misbehave, you dey go prison. Obaseki can take decision a day to election. For the betterment of, even if you not vote for her, but for him to make sure he do the right thing, he will take the decision. What else do they want him to do? So in terms of security, we are glad with the current Wabazigan and the security policy of this administration. I na infrastructure. I is infrastructure. I want to ask a simple question. Which different infrastructure will Israel Yambu bring that Obaseki have not brought? Oh, my brother here. Which of this will Israel Yambu bring that Obaseki has not brought? Is it about road construction? Is it about creating, attracting monumental industries? Which other thing Israel Yambu will bring differently from what Obaseki don't do so? As at yesterday, while he was at Ibubaoha, he identified the Okabere Road, Lucky Way Road. That same Lucky Way Road he talks. So the people in Lucky Way cry to meet Oshomole. Say our road is bad. Oshomole asked and say, what's the name of that road? They say Lucky Way. Say go and meet Lucky to tithe. A vindictive politician. A vindictive politician. That is Oshomole is. A vindictive politician. He said go and meet him to tithe the road. A sitting governor telling residents to go and meet a former governor to tie road. Or now the 250 million naira they take a print come question paper. Or now the 1 billion naira per kilometer of road. Only airport road consume 8 billion through Servitech company. Or now the Uronigbe road where contractor bid between 4.8 billion. Or somebody go award them at the cost of 8 billion. Now that one you want me continue. Which I've been at the flower where they plant for and the at fatty and flower they put for ring where they collect 900 million through his Amu friend company. Is that what he wants to bring as infrastructure? We are happy with the infrastructural development of Obaseki. We do not need any scam. Obaseki does not inflate the cost of projects. He do he tell you say CIB. But under Oshomole, a kilometer of road is 1 billion. 8 kilometers is 8 billion. Airport road na 8 kilometers na 8 billion collect. 8 billion. One confirm. 8 billion. Do you know what is 8 billion? Oshomole is richer than Buhari. Osho is richer than Buhari. We can never be deceived anymore. Uno lies. To us, it is socially unacceptable. It is an aberration. And we must try to defend our interests to the latter. That's infrastructure. Manpower development. Which other manpower development is he talking about? We talked about the innovative hub, the training and retraining of experts. As we speak, nobody needs to tell you. Go and check. Women and men are being trained on a daily basis to learn different type of profession. So that we now have the expertise. What of the reconstruction of the Benin Technical College? Oshomole remember say Technical College they Ibona. Go see what your Obaseki they do for Isaiah Buma. Go and see with your eyes. So which other manpower development will Isaiah Amu do differently from what Obaseki has done in just a pace of 3 years? Ask. P in a public-private partnership. I don't know why you draw this one long. PPP MOU transformed Osiamo Power Plant, the modular refinery, the Gelegele as we speak, many other activities through public-private partnership. Oshomole came out to say there is no modular refinery anywhere. The presidency came to say we have confirmed the modular refinery. Some of them say na federal government own. Later they come back and say it's for private. because of they want to win, that they talk at all costs. Selfish, disgruntled elements. Selfish, egocentric, disgrace to human beings. Disgruntled political elements. Now we have talking about the sim. We have talking about the simple. It remain LE, simple agenda. Simple agenda. SIMPLE. Simple. So the question is, when you talk about public-private partnership, Obaseki have done tremendously well. Obaseki has done tremendously well. So we don't know what they plan to bring that is different from what Obaseki has done. So to some of us, the simple, though have gone past the level of simple agenda, we need a well-organized organogram structure that can create more positive development, like the mega making Edo great again. Making Edo great again. L. Leadership by example. L. Leadership by example. As we speak, Obaseki not they make noise. Obaseki never come and say, I want to do this, I want to do that, I want to do this. He does it and you wait to see it. That was why Oshomole called him the wait and see governor. Amen. He not call himself, he end it. Leadership by example. How many elders have you ever seen Obaseki insulting? He's leading by example. But Oshomole, when he was the governor of Edo State, Ogben Orika, Ogben Orido, he insulted everybody. Leadership by example. Leadership by example. Which other example are they looking for? Which example is anyone bring? Is he coming to show us example of how to pour a seed? Or you want to show us example according to the way of someone that talk AK-47 in the night, Bible in the day? Which example? Which example? Or how to tell people, say some of you are so dangerous that you can move from one unit to another unit. This time is for result oriented. It's not you will do your unit. You go if you go to work. You can even some of you are so dangerous that you move to another ward. Is that the leadership by example that is coming to give us under the simple agenda? Lastly, the E. The E. The E is employment. They faulted the 200,000 jobs. They closed their eye for CFO. They faulted the 200,000 jobs. They closed their eye for ESMA. They faulted the 200,000 jobs. They closed their eye for civil service recruitment in Edo State, where the likes of Osiki and many others for benefits from Edo North. I can call Osiki on phone. He benefited from the recruitment. They faulted the simple the employment of the 200,000 jobs, but they closed their eyes to the avenues where this employment is created from. So I just want to state this clearly. We will never allow Edo to go back to Egypt. Don't forget the focus of our discussion, which is the subject heading. I wish the peace came in the initial stage. Who would have benefited? As of today, in my boy Kega, and we must continue to support Obaseki to the last. The same way we supported Oshomole in the past. We never knew that he was cajoling us, that he was aspiring to be a godfather. And that is why today I'm glad to be the initiator of Ogakari Ticket Go, which is now the official song of the Obaseki campaign. Which other benefit I define? Usakuno Wode worldwide. Thank you very much for listening to me. I remain my humble self as we speak. My friend, the great Chima. The great Chima Diaspora is here with me. I have to cut this discussion short because they take time before me and Chima to see. So as we see now, we need to align. Thank you very much. The great Chima, greet them from background.
Thank you, my people.
Greet them from background. You know, with Obaseki,
Thank you, my people.
4 plus 4. 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4. Thank you very much. A great good morning, anywhere you are. I remember, humble self, your noble right activist, Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwunokwudi, and I say big bye for now. Bye.
Now we don't hear from Stanley Osaze Osakwunokwudi. Let us know what you think concerning this election wey don dey reach ground. Na September 19 na be the day. We don almost dey reach there. So go to comment section now, make you let us know about the Obaseki style of campaign and the people wey dey fight am. Wetin you get to talk about these people? Go to comment section, make you put am for there. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.